today we are restoring a truck, a white truck, which is a Hot Wheels Mattel truck, as you can see on the bottom. Original color white, has stickers on it. I played with this when I was a child. The date on here says 1997, so I'm assuming that was the year I got it. And I am here with my children and my niece. Say hello, guys.
Hello. Hello.
So we will be restoring this step by step, and hopefully you can watch along with us.
We have 2 rivets on the bottom of the truck. At this point, we need to drill them out in order to take the truck apart. Once the truck top is lifted off the frame, we will clean the car and get it ready for paint.
Alright, so we took it off and we separated it. And this is what the inside looks like. And this is where the wheels are, so we're just going to remove the wheels. One wheel. And that one, and we're going to pop this one out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And
We popped it out.
this is what the inside looks like. The wheels. And this is what the inside looks like.
Can we dip it in?
Yeah.
All right, we're back now, and we're gonna be cleaning these parts. These are the parts that I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna clean the inside part, some of the wheels, and the glass, which is kind of yellow now, which is gross. And my brother is going to use, well, he's gonna clean the top of the truck and also the bottom part of the truck. He's gonna clean those, and I'm gonna clean these. All right, my little brother could go first.
Dip this in. Do I dip the toothbrush in?
Sure. You can dump the whole thing in
Yeah, like.
and then scrub it.
Clunk.
You can drop them all in there. You drop the parts in.
Lulu, you could drop this one. Yeah. Yeah. It looks blue. Do you see that?
It's like the ocean.
It actually is like the ocean, and that's like sea foam. Do you get it?
Yeah.
It's like sea foam.
Awesome.
Look how soapy that is. So soapy.
Do next. I'm scared that I'll get this wet.
You can get that one here. This is what you do here. So when this is in, you want to scrub it to get it nice and shiny. So you go.
The trucks are having a bubble bath.
The trucks are having a bubble bath. A bubble bath.
A bubble bath.
It is a blah blah blah. I said blast. Why do I keep messing up?
It's fine.
Here, and here's a towel, so we can dry everything off when we're done.
Why?
Doing a great job. Here, want to put it on the towel? On the towel. There you go. Scrub it on the towel.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Giving it a bubble bath.
You just drop
Scrub,
everything in.
scrub, scrub.
And see that sticker? That's going to be a problem taking off. So when we're done cleaning it, we're gonna have to start scrubbing all the paint off and
Yeah.
using sandpaper.
Do you guys see that? And I have no idea what that bit is, but
That's one of the stickers I used to play with when I was a kid. So just like you all, I put stickers on everything too. This is one of my favorite trucks.
it's one of Dad's favorite trucks.
I think it got an award for world's dirtiest truck.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
Actually, I've seen trucks dirtier than that.
Not many though.
Yeah. There was one that had like rust all over it. You couldn't even see the real paint. They had to take off all the paint. It was a Batman car.
Get out!
If you search up restore Batman car, it probably might be the first one to pop up.
Really cool.
Yeah.
So shout out to Good Restoration, which
I'm
is the
still trying
video
to
that you're
get
talking about.
this
They did a
out.
great job restoring a Batman video.
Yeah, it was a
A Batman
And a
video about a
band-
Batman car.
yeah, it was abandoned.
Wow.
It was abandoned. All right, and we are soaking the car parts, the toy car parts.
Alright. And then we'll
So-
we'll cut to the video when we're done cleaning it after this, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Excellent. So now we're going to try a high gloss black. And we're going to give this old college try after doing 2 coats of primer.
Comment down below. I would love to know if you enjoy spray painting, because I do. Spray painting is really fun to me.
Spray painting is really fun.
Finished!